Hello friends, welcome to my channel IIT JEE Physics classes. Here we are going to discuss parallel lines or properties of parallel lines. Vertically opposite angles. If two lines are intersecting each other like these, then vertically opposite angles would be these ones. These are vertically opposite angles and vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle A would equal to angle C here. Similarly, these two angles are equal to, these angles are vertically opposite angles and equal. So if we call them B and D, so angle B would equal to angle D. So let's see the parallel lines. AB and CD are parallel lines. So vertically opposite angles would be these. These two are vertically opposite angles and these two angles would be equal. Similarly, these angles are again vertically opposites and these angles are equal to each other. Let's take an example. Here this angle is given as 120 degree and you have to find this angle. So you know the corresponding angles we learned in the previous video. These two angles are corresponding, this one and this one. So this must be 120 degree as well, as corresponding angles are equal to each other. Now you can see again, these two are vertically opposite angles and they must be equal to. So this must be 120 degree. Let's see here. So these two are vertically opposite. So this must be 50 degree. Then this and this. Corresponding angles, this one and this one. This must be 50 degree again. And because these two add up to 180 degree. So 180 minus 50 degree. So this one would be 130 degree. I hope you get this property of parallel lines. You can take my physics classes on Unacademy platform. So download Unacademy mobile app and enroll for my classes on the Unacademy. Here is Unacademy Champions League. There would be test series on 10th, 14th and 21st November 5 to 6 p.m. You can win prizes and 100% scholarship on the plus courses. T20 Champion Test Series, 20 questions there for 30 minutes. You can win 15% scholarships and Amazon gift vouchers. You can also subscribe for Rapid Revision Batch for JEE Main and Advanced 2022. Also subscribe for Revision Batch for Class 12th Board Exams. It's starting from 10th November. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and comment in the box. Thank you. Bye bye.